This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. All you have joined the class. So still some more student has to join. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about the parking the document. Today we'll continue with the GL posting. So we are on SAP Easy Access screen. So go to the accounting, financial accounting. Some of the questions I have sent yesterday that we'll do today. So general ledger parking in that Excel sheet, some few questions are there that we are going to do here. So we have the general ledgers like now in posting documents, date that is I've given 1st of January, started business with cash account debited to capital already we did these transactions, then paid office expenses in cash we'll do today, paid office rent paid also we have done, received professional fees that we can get, cash deposited in the bank. This is few of the general questions, general ledger questions which we are going to enter in this. One more time I'll show you park the document, post the document, park document, how to post it, and general posting. Okay, so we are in SAP Easy Access screen. All students has joined the class now. So we can start our session. Okay, now we'll come back to the software. So go to the accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. So this all I'm going to teach today. Like first, let's start with the general document parking. F65. Here we have to give the current date. Today is 19th, so just click here. And company code I'll give TA11. Currency I'll be giving here INR. Posting case 40. So I have created some few of the ledgers like computer we have done. I'll take furniture account. Suppose furniture we are purchasing, machinery we are purchasing. So furniture entries we have done, one more time we'll do, like this is 4,000 or I'll give 4,500, and let's take $12,000, and here being furniture purchased by cash. So posting key is 50. Accounts is what we need to do, cash account. I have to select enter. Here you have to select cash account. So just press enter, put here star, and text is plus. After this you need to click on the overview. So now the document is displaying furniture account debited to cash account. Click on post. So what is that? Document 10003 TA11 was parked. Okay. So likewise we can park the document. Come back to the screen. Now the park document, how to post it. So where is that? We have another folder that is called parked document in the down. You can see, before that you can see what are the documents has been parked. FB03. FB03, if I'll double click, I can give this is 3. Okay. And fiscal year you have to give 2024. Press enter. You can see this document has been done. So document 3 is initially being parked, means it's only parked, it is not posted here. So how to post this? We have to click on this FBV0. Okay. If you want to change, you can change. Suppose you are going to change. So here you give 2023, sorry, 24. Press enter. Anything you want to change, anything you want to change, suppose date or some things, you can change. But right now I'm not going to change. I just want to post the document. So double click here and 2024 you give, press enter, and directly you can click on post. This is save button. If you do, then this document was posted in this company code TA11. Got this point? Now FBV3 for what? Which document has been posted? How we can see this? We can see on the screen. So this is for display document. Where it is in the after post and delete. FVV3 is for display. So you can make a note, students. What is the T code for FVV3? Directly also, if you remember the T code, you can type F slash n, sorry, maximum slash I put. So you have to do slash n f b v3. If I'll do directly, you can go to that screen. Okay. So the T code you can write, which T code is to display post document. So everyone has joined the meeting. Still some more students are there to join. So I'll be showing you GL posting today. And students, any doubts you have? You understood this? How to park and post? Hmm? If you have understood, put a thumbs up. Today, some more students has installed in their system SAP, right? When all installed today, can you put a thumbs up? Or you have already installed before? Those who are attending today, Joshna. Okay, Joshna has done before. Harshita, Nivedita, you have installed? Okay. So I'll go to show now another. So here this is the called general posting. Now how it is the general posting? General posting, the T code is F02. Double click on this. The screen is like that. So enter GL account posting header. So what we need to do here, click on this, and we need to put the document date. Then we have to use company code TA11. Currency is INR. Okay. So this is not required, and directly you can come to this account. So I am going to do one more entries on this. Let's take commission paid. Commission paid, press enter. I'll give you 3000. And here being commission paid. being commission paid. So posting key will be 50, account being commission paid by cash. Okay, so this posting key account will be cash account. So press enter, amount will be star and text will be plus. So click on this document view and click on save. So this is what document 104 was posted. That time it was showing parked. This time it is showing posted, means it's already almost done. Okay, this is direct posting. This is direct posting. Now this is called general posting. Next, today I am going to teach you FB50. FB50 is what? Enter GL account. Company code is TA11. Now see, the screen will be different. See, the screen is different. In this case, enter GL account document company code. So document date I have to give. Before that, you have to give company code. Already it is there, TA11. So I'll just go one step back. Once again, I'll log in this. So FB50 company code here itself you have to give. Click on this and document date is 19. Now I want to purchase by cash, suppose goods purchased by cash. So what I need to do, or else you can do salary or any other ledgers. Now click on this GL account. What GL account? Press enter. Now suppose I am giving commission received is the cash to commission received. So commission receipt is there, interest received is there, okay. Discount receipt I have created, sales account I have created, purchase account. Suppose goods purchased by cash. Suppose I'll take purchase account. This is debit amount. I have purchased goods, suppose 2000. Okay, then what you have to do? Buy cash. So click on this and buy cash. Okay, so here it will be credit. So credit how much? 2000. Likewise I can do, and you can scroll little bit, and here we can do business area. I think business area, yes, business area I have to give TA11. Here I'll give TA11. Okay, so press enter. So this has been done. Next, what to do? You have to click on simulate. Once you click on simulate, it has been streamed. Now you can see this screen is different. That is called document overview. So what is displaying here? Document type SA for GL account. Normal document, document number, document date, 197, and company code is TA11. Posting date is displaying, fiscal year displaying, period is 04 according to the what? According to the July. Calculate tax I have not done, that will be on GST. After 1 week, I will be teaching you. Okay. So next week will be accounts receivable, accounts payable. Means next week only I will be teaching you uh, accounts payable, vendors creations, accounts receivable, and on another week, next to next week, I will be teaching you only whole classes GST. Whole week GST will be there. So that is the things. Okay. So in this we do revision class also. As I told you, Mondays one more will do. Okay, after this you have to park the document, sorry, post the document or complete. So what I need to do, I want to park means you can park the document. If I click on park, company code again it is asking TA11. Click on this. So what is happening? It will not park directly, we can post the documents. Okay, so if this document has been parked or not, how I can check it? It has been parked or not, we'll check it out. Where is the park document? We can display document here. Okay, park document to post and delete. So this is 52024. Press enter. We'll see this is park document. Understood, student? Edit park GL account. It has been done. Now I am want to go to the post. Click on this document not parked since the change carried out. Okay. So it will be no changes has been carried out. So it will not be parked. In that case, if you want to change something, 2024. Press enter. This has to be posted. So this is done. Press enter. Then after this you post it. Notepad says no changes carried out. Okay, let's do one more. Changes. What changes we have to do here? Save as a complete. You can do it. Preliminary posted. Okay, you can click on save as a posted. Next, what we have to do? One more. Enter GL account will do. TA11. Click on this. Now I'm going to directly post the document, or if you want hold, how to hold document. Hold the document, what is that? When it has to be verified, we can keep it in hold. So we'll try this. So now I'll take here another one. Suppose I am taking mm, cash account debited to commission interest receipt. Okay, cash. Suppose I am taking advertisement expenses. Okay, this is debit. Amount I am giving suppose 5,000. Here it will be like credit. So I click on this and take credit is cash. This is credit. Here I am giving 5,000. Okay. So as I told you, business area you can give TA11, TA11. So after this, what you have to do is select on this. If I make it want to hold, so held document must be converted in long text. So it is long text we have to give. Header text we have not given. You can give and park this. So here we can park, we can post all these things. So if I want to directly post, give asked. So field is required TA11. Click on this. Next I am going to one more entries. Click on 19, and this another one I'm going to do. Suppose I'm giving here uh, sales account, cash to sales. Okay, so I'll give your cash account. Then this is debit. Amount is 6,500, and this is sales account. So what I'll do, I'll select this. I have to click on sales. Once you click on sales, then credit 6,500, and you can see the business area. Business area. Where it is that? TA11. TA11. Now you have to do press enter and click on directly post the document. So document 100 was posted. Again it will ask you TA11. Click on this. Now this is the posting and parking. You can do edit options on these things. Okay, this is basic data, this is details, all these things are there. So come back. So this is for enter GL account document. Next is what? FB50L. What is this actually? This is you can give TA11 and check it out. So this is also enter GL document for ledger groups. Company code TA11. So we'll do once more. Click on this 19 and GL account. Click on this. I'll take suppose cash account and discount receipt. So this is debit. Amount is 2,500. So I am taking discount received here. Discount received. Okay. So here credit 2,500. Now you select this and go to the business area TA11. then TA. Okay, so likewise we can do and click on enter and post the document. So document 1008 was posted. All you understood, students? Now FB01, and what is that? Enter GL account, general posting for ledger group header data. So here we have a held document also, this one also. So suppose 19 I am taking, and here I'll give as a company code TA11. Till that, any doubts you have, students? You are getting this, how it is coming? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Any doubts you have, students? Hmm?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what's the difference between FB50 and FB5011? Because we did the same thing in both.
Hmm. See, I'll show you that. FB50 and FB50L. This is enter GL account document. Here, enter GL account document for lecture group. It is almost same. There is no difference. There is no difference. Only the procedure also same. There is no changes. Either you can do for that, or you can. This is your group like Sunday debtor, creditor will be their groups wise we can do, but almost the screen is same. There is no change. But GL posting and this one is little different. The screen is different. You can see here tree, company code, all this thing. Edit option is there. Any changes you can see. And if I'll go to this, if I'll go to the second one, TA11, sorry, TA11. Now it is also almost same. There is no changes. Okay. Enter in both the cases, not a problem. But GL posting, it means the screen will be different. Okay. But one more thing I want to tell you this. Again, these two apart from this is also different. So enter GL posting for lecture group. The screen is different. This is like general posting. F-02 like this. This is for lecture groups. So I'll just try with this one held document. It is activating or not, I'll check it out. INR. Okay. Held document is what? Temporary document number you have to give. Okay, document number you have to give, suppose 1009. Let's take 9. Click on this data. Do you want to edit? Exit. This data will be lost. Okay. So it is asking SAP user. I think there is some technical things is there. Okay, let me check once. It will possible or not. Sometimes it will stop the system. So I'll try once. 40. Let's take uh, interest receipt. No, cash to interest receipt. Cash account. Press enter. See, it is not invalid. Make entries for, I don't know, something has happened. Okay, you have to click on this. General posting. I'll try once. So this actually I'll notice this one. It is talking some error message will get if you do this one. So held document don't do anything. I'll just take it out. Cash enter taking. Then I'll give you suppose 5200 being interest receipt. Now it is posted, 9 was posted. Held document, it will ask you some temporary numbers which may stuck your system. So don't use held document, and you can use only posting, parking, GL posting, all these things, and general posting. Post with clearings. Post with clearings in the vendor account we are doing, not now. So what is that? It is related to like your vendor items like outgoing, incoming payments. Like outgoing payments means when you are paying to the vendors means suppliers. Incoming payments, it is only applicable on that case. Means accounts payable and accounts receivable. We are using this post with clearings. Means I'll show you some things today like little bit accounts payable. That is not totally how to what is vendors, how to create document types. Now today I'll teach you actually document type. For the document types, what are the number ranges? Small concept I'll teach you today, and we'll start by accounts payable on Monday. Not today. That is the things. In that case, you have to give credit memo also you can do, and we can check it out. This is for post with clearings, incoming payments, outgoing payments. This is for vendor payment, and this is for customer payment. Customer payment means receipt, that is okay. So in that case, we can use it. Now today I want to show you one bank creations. What is that? This any doubts in there? Cash journals at last, not now. That is FB season. How to do cash journals also I'll be telling you. But what I'm saying, till this any doubts you have, just clear it. Then I'm going to tell you how to create house banks and all. Till this any doubts? Yes, students. Hmm? How much you have practiced in these days? Hmm? Who and all practice? Can you put a thumbs up? Hmm? Can you put a thumbs up? Those who have practiced till this much, or how much you have done? Can you tell me? No answer. Only why? We have not practiced anything. Harshita, Pooja, hello. Am I audible to you?
Mom, I couldn't practice because I still didn't download the software yet. So tomorrow my dad will be downloading it. So I'll just check out the recordings and I'll practice it again.
Other students? No, today our admin sir went to your college. I think
Uh,
5 to 6 students has installed today
oh
also.
yes, mom. It was literally all of the sudden. Like at 11 o'clock, I got a message and I didn't even carry my laptop. And also, I stay like 11 kilometers far from my home.
You are not
So
there in college?
I was there in the college, but I couldn't go back to home, get my laptop again and install it. So I'll do it by
Okay.
tomorrow.
Some more students has installed. I got the information like this. Who and all installed today? Can you tell me? In right now, those who are attending class among them, who and all installed. Were already the software by last week or today you have installed. Can you put a thumbs up? Because those of the rest of the students they have to come to Jayanagar, so only I'm asking. I got the information like 5 students has installed today. Last time 10 students has installed. So total out of 15 students has installed. But where are the other students today? Hmm? Is their software is working, sir? Will telling the all the procedure how to open this, right? Why Ankusha is not? Uh, Ankusha has attended. Anusha, Raksha is attending. Yashita, Ishita is. Can you put a thumbs up those who have installed? Hmm? Yes. Okay. Nivedita, Srija.
Yes, ma'am. Even I'm yet
You,
to install the software because today, when we received the message, even I was in college and it was not possible for me to again get my laptop and
so
go
tomorrow
all
you
the
have
way
to
to
come and
college.
install it by
Yes,
tomorrow
I'll
itself.
I'll have to go
You have
to
to come to the
Jayanagar for
center
that.
only, Jayanagar.
Okay, but I wanted to ask, ma'am, is there any other day where sir would be able to come
No, no, no.
just in case
Already
if
two times we have already sent. Now last already your madam also sent the message. You need to come to the center by tomorrow only. That is the things.
fine, ma'am.
So
Okay,
already
ma'am.
two times we visited there. So only I
Yes,
am
ma'am. If there
telling.
was a prior notice, then even I would have taken
Who
my
not
laptop to
informed you?
college.
Your madam has not informed
No,
you.
ma'am. I did not receive any
I was
information
I
that
was in class. I was in class. I was not knowing. I got them. I saw the message and I got to know that our admin sir has went there.
yes,
So
ma'am.
he
But
was
I was
telling, tell all
monitoring.
of your students, but I was catch up with the class. So I could not, because already they have sent the message, it's installing. So I thought all students will be there. I thought like this. Okay, no problem. You can visit the center. You can install it.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
I'll just
this
go
it
tomorrow.
will take time. You need to give and you have to collect by evening like this and all. You have to give it to the counselor, then you have to collect it. It is like that and all.
Y-
It will take more
yes,
time to
ma'am.
install. At least 3 hours. He reached by so early today. When I saw the message, it was almost late. So I was not knowing that. So I was in class that time. So what? Okay. We'll continue. Recordings will be there, students. And yesterday recordings also I requested him. Which sir has went to your college? He is only sending the recordings. He will send. Okay. You will get both the recordings yesterday's and today's. Okay, so now you can see. So today I'll be teaching you this concept only. I'm not going to start much more things today. Next, I'll tell you one small concept like how to create a house bank. It's a one interesting topic how to create house bank. So I'll close all these things. So you can see we have to go to the accounting, financial accounting, okay, general ledger accounting. Here we have a bank. You can write the student steps in the SAP Easy Access menu. It is getting loaded. What happened? Error is displaying. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, and we have to click on bank. Oh, bank is not possible. Okay, let's do some other classes. This has been removed, I think. Okay, so what I'm saying, I have to show you some things here, like banks. We can create directly from the ledger group itself. General ledgers, we can do it. Master records, we can go. And accounts, what are the things are there? I'm telling you, FBL3N is what? FBL3N is display change line items. What is that? It is used when you are creating vendors or suppliers. In that case, GL account number. Suppose 1004. I want to see this. So what will happen? You can see the document itself. So no item is selected. What is the reason of that? Clear items, if I'll give the dates, clearing date is 19. So I'll show you why it will not display. Okay, why it will not display. So if I'll execute, it will not select. Why? Because this 104, I have not done any what is that, sundry creditor, sundry debtors, means it is related to purchase. Okay, so GL line item, line item display, so it will be displaying. Suppose I am taking as a like suppose cash account I am taking, And if I want to go to this execute button, no item selected in the long text it's showing. Because in that case what will happen, it is belongs to your like purchase sales. If you're done with the data creditors all these things, you can show this. Suppose I'm giving 19, or you click on this 19 you give. Let's check once again, click on this. Now list being generated, see here what will happen, all posting now. Now you understood. If you select these things, this is for another, like your purchase and sales when you do this. But all items when you click, then what will happen? Now no students has asked me, ma'am, whatever it is we have done, actually it is where it is going to display. It is going to display on GL accounts line item display. Can you write the path, students? I'll show you once again. So write SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Then you have to go to the accounting. Okay, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, sorry, general ledgers. Then you have to click on accounts. General ledgers, then accounts, not document. We have to click on account. So in this you write FBL3N. What is the FBL3N? Display or change line items. Display change line items. Where you will get the total list what we have posted. Just 2 minutes, students. You make a note on this. I'll tell you that. So double click on this. What you need to do, you have to click on all items. Okay, this is what one lakh is for what? I'm giving here 1 lakh for cash account. You have to give one account and all items. You have to give posting date. Whatever the cash transactions has been done. Here we have execute button. You can see this. These are all cash transaction has been done. Got it? That is for cash. Suppose I am giving here for this furniture account. Can I see this? Yes. Only furniture account. I'll just come in 2 minutes, students. Be there. I'll ask for the recordings and I'll inform you. Hello. All students, you understood how it will be displaying. Likewise, we can see for other ledgers also. Just you have to click here, click this. Suppose I am going to see commission receipt and you can click on execute button. So no item selected. Why? 3 lakhs is for what? 3 lakhs is commission received account. Suppose I am clicking on computer account and click on execute. It is not selecting because here we have to select the cash account. What is the cash transaction has been done? Click on this, it will show you the list. Some things we have parked. Parked document, it will not display. Which document has been posted, that will display. Suppose let's take an example of this, your sales. So if I'll click on the sales, it is displaying. Understood. This is cash related transactions like cash to sales. So it is displaying SGL account, document number also displaying, business area displaying, GL account number is displaying. This is what, this is your short ascending and descending order. Suppose you have a lot of transactions, you can do it. This is your change layout. Sorry. If you click on this change layout, the layout will be changing. This you will learn in the later on classes how to change this. And this is your mess, this you need not to do, only it will display like this. You can change the layout in the coming classes, I'll tell you. Likewise we can do it. Sorry. So I have done one purchase account, let's check. So no item selected, it displaying. Purchase account, execute. Okay, long test it is asking for that. So you can check on this and you can see. Now next is FS1 0N. What is that? Double click on this, you will see ledger balances. Execute this. No data in the fiscal year. 1 second. 4001 cash account. I'll be selecting. Execute. Whatever the cash entries has been done, that details will be GL account balance in display. Now you can see this screen, student. This is showing GL account balance display. Balance carried, what are the things are there, everything it will display. For debit how much, credit how much, balance how much, cumulative balances, all this thing it will display. So this is called GL account balance display. If I'll give as a like ICICI Bank, let's take ICICI Bank, click on execute. It will show what are the bank transactions in the 10,000s I have done for that. Okay, if you click on this, you can see what has been done. Your 18th, I have entered some amount on this 10,000. Likewise, if you go to the back, and I'll see for this another ledgers. Take an example of computer account, execute, it will show for the computer 40,000. So for all GL balances, you can see all ledger accounts, you can see which you have already posted. Like discount received, if I'll check, it will be displaying discount is 2,500. If it is a more discount, it will be keep on adding and you will get the total values itself. In this case, you will get the account number, company code, business area, fiscal year, discount, and all these things. Okay, so you can write, students, what is the path for this, how to display ledger balances. You can make a note how to display ledger balances. Write the path for this. So I'll show you how to display ledger balances. This is the path. So today what and all we did. Today what and all we did. We'll did enter GL account. I'll just make a list. Today's topics. So take a notepad. We did today SAP Easy Access. Enter GL account document. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, general ledgers. Then what is that? Posting. Then posting we have done. In this, what is the T code for this? FB50 for enter GL account document. FB50, what is for enter G/L document. Okay, next what we need to do, we have a posting here like uh, FB50L enter GL account document for ledger group. Ledger group. So that is the things. And next is we did already we did general posting we have done. And next is FB01L enter GL posting for ledger group. That also FB01L. This I shown you, I think. Yes, I have shown this. FB01L, that is for what? Enter general posting for ledger group. Okay. Enter general posting. Next is FB50 edit or park GL account, that we did last class only. General document parking also we did. And we have used this FB50, I think. TA11. Yes, this I taught today. Uh, this is known as cancel it. FB50 edit or park GL document. FB50 edit or park GL document. FB50 edit or park GL document. Next we have done today uh, how to post the park post document, right? So document we have done our display change line items. We have done park document, FB50 post and delete. So parked document here, I'll just here PE, parked document to post. What is the path? So here we have to do FB03 for display. Then park document post FBV0. FBV post and delete. Post or delete. Okay. Then FBV to change FBV3 for display. Next we have done accounts. So in this to display the ledger balance, displays the change line items. So what is that? GL account line item display. So next one is GL account line item display. So how to do? Path. Path is SAP easy access, then accounting, then financial accounting, then what is that? After financial accounting, what we need to do? General ledger and posting. General ledger, when you click, let's do once. General ledger account. So here general ledger, then account. Then what we need to do? In account FBL3N for display and change line items. In this FBL3N, FBL3N for what is that? Display or change line items. Display or change line items. What is line item, students? Debit and credits. Okay. Display line items. So got this? Likewise we can do, and display ledger balances. Next one is, if you double click on this, what will happen? See. So one more is the GL account balance. How to see? I'll take suppose cash account. Select cash and click on execute. So I'll just go back. This is what? FAGLB03. So same path to display ledger balances. What is that? GL account balance display. So next one is G slash L account balance display. So what is the path for this? What is the path? This I will copy. Here we have to type FAGLB FLG, one second here, FAGLB 03. That is what? That is your display balances new. If you will click on this, you can see GL account balance. So GL account balance display. What if? So likewise you can see. So enter the account number. So what you do? Account number, company code, fiscal year, ledger, and you have to click on execute button. So here account number. Suppose you are giving 1 lakh. Then company code. It will ask you the what is that? A company code, fiscal year, ledger. So here enter company code STA11, fiscal year is, what is that, 2024, and next is ledger is OL. What is OL? Can you say me? OL, that is actually, what is that OL? Now see here, OL stands for leading ledger. OL stands for leading ledger. So then you click on execute button. Sorry, enter execute button. Okay. So once you click on execute button, you will get the balance display GL account for the ledger OL. Understood? You will get this ledger. So understood, students? In this, any doubts is there? So till this, any doubts? FS10, what is that? This is also GL balances display. And if you will give business area, so here also you can execute, students. You can see this is one procedure, and one more GL account displays FS10N. This is called display balances. Same it is FS10N. So one more is there, FS10N. That is also display GL balances. Understood? So that is also, this is option. This is the first one. This is the second one. These are the T codes what I am giving here. File save as desktop. I'll give suppose G slash L uh, account this. So it will not take like this. General ledger account balance display. Okay. Any doubts in there, students? You understood how it is coming? Are you getting this? Those who have attended today's class? Any doubts till now? So you can ask it. No doubts, please. If you understood, please put a thumbs up. Okay. All you have done? Okay. Very good. So, in the previous sessions, any doubts you have? Or else, if any doubts, you can ask me now. I'll show you one small topics now. What is a document type? Now this will do again in the next class, other postings and all. I'll close this now, accounts, all this thing. So GL account master creations, you understood, display changes, anything you want to, you can do. But this and all not required. You can do just GL account and you can see the ledger balances. F03 you need not do, this is for vendors payment and all. So don't use this one, F03, this is for vendor payment. It in accounts payable it is. So only this much you can see. This you also not required, FBL double three dot. So I have given in the notepad whatever you have to practice. Okay. Then I'll close this is the access screen and go to the SPRO once again. So SAP reference IMG. I'll tell you what is document types. So go to the financial accounting. Next topic is document types. I'm going to show you. This is or this or that. Okay. Next is I'm telling you document types. What are the document types here? I'll tell you. Okay. So what is the path for this? Go to the SPRO. So path is what? You have to go to the SPRO. Then financial accounting. I'll show here. SPRO financial accounting. Financial accounting global settings. Then you have to go to the document number range. One second, not document, I think. Document line items. No, this I'll be telling you later. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions. we have created document number range. I want to show you document types. One second. Yes. Got to know your document types. So I'll show you what are the document types. I'll tell you the path also. How to see document type. Okay, let's take how to do. So financial accounting, global settings, then document header, then document types. I'll show you this. So financial accounting global settings, financial accounting, then financial accounting, global setting, then we have to click on this uh, document, then document header, document, then document header, okay, then document types. So in this what we need to do, so define document types, indicate currency. So click on this document, click on execute button, click on execute button. What you will see here, you can see this, click on new, click on position, click on positions, then click on position, then you have to type here document type document type I should type first. If I'll type SA, what will happen? GL account. So I'll going to give you some things. Click on position, type document type is what? SA. SA for what? GL account, which already you have. Next is I'll give you what are the document types. KA for what? KA for vendor document. KR, I'll show you all. KR for vendor invoice. Okay. KZ, KZ for vendor payment. Okay. Likewise, I'll type DA, DA for document, customer document. then BR for customer invoice. Okay, DZ for customer payment. Okay, so that is the things. Got it? So this is document type, students. If I'll control X, I'll just make it here control V. So that is the GL account. As I told you, as you can see here, GL account document. So if I'll click on this GL account document. Now see here, if I'll type click on positions KA. So what is displaying? Vendor in document. Okay. So if you double click on this, you can see number range for vendor invoice. Now I'll show you first for SA, what is that? If I click on positions SA, that is for GL account. What is the double click on this? You can give 01 for, what is that? This is for document number range is, if I'll give document number range, you need not to change, student, that is 01 only. For vendor, this one document number range is, I'll just copy this. Document number range is, what is that, for KA? So come back. So I'll type KA. So double click on this and you can see 17 number range. What is that? Number range is 17. For vendor invoice, so for vendor document number range, already I told you. So for vendor invoice, I'll check KR. KR for vendor invoice. Now this is 19 number range. You need not to change. I'll tell you how to use it in the Monday class. Then for vendor payment, how much it is? So escape KZ. So double click on this vendor payment, that is 15 number range. What is the number range? Is 15. Next is document number range for customer. Let's take about customer. Position is DA. Double click on this. You can see 16 number range for the, this is the number range is 16. And for this number range, customer invoice. So DR customer invoice, what is that? 18 number range. You can do 18 and next hyphen. This is the customer payment DZ. So you have to go back, position, pick DZ, click on this customer payment. What is that? 14 number range. Understood, students? This and all you understood? What is that? For this is general posting. F-65 is for general document parking. All I am mentioning document parking. Okay, so this is all you can do it. Okay, in this case you have to create number range and you can do it. So TA then display. It is already created, we need not to create. But for other number ranges we have not created, which is related to vendors. Understood. What is that? If I'll show you in the essay, what and all it is displaying. It is displaying number range 01. AB is for what? AB is for I can show you AB. AB for accounting document, AA for asset posting. These are all different sections is there, but we are using AB for accounting document. Okay. Next we have all these things has been GL account has been marked assets, customer, vendor, material account, and negative posting permitted. It is given, but you need not to change anything here. Just you have to click on number range and you have to assign a number range for GL account. Okay, so that is the thing. Till this, any doubts you have, students? You understood what is the document types? We'll create in the next class. Okay, and document types we have to create. Until this, any doubts you have? Any doubts you have, students? Hmm? Because just 10 minutes is there. If you want to ask any questions, you can ask it now.
Excuse me, ma'am, why are there so many codes for the same type of account?
So many?
Like you said, the AB and DZ and all of that. Why that? I mean, why there's so many for like a single account? Like for example, vendor accounts have like three.
No, it is see a good question. Vendor document when you are posting this vendor, see there is a number range for document. Just like I told, I did GL posting. What is the document number is accepting you 01. For this is all 33. That is the procedure is here. When you are doing vendor posting, vendor document just like in Tally also it is a vouchers, invoice entries like that. So here vendor payment also we have to assign a document number range. Without assigning document types and number range, you will not able to post. Means you will not able to make payment for the vendors. So that's what 33. It is separate only. For vendor separate, for customer separate means accounts receivable and accounts payable are separately document number ranges are there. In this case, the number range what I shown you that you need not to change. What you have to do, I'll give one example here. Like suppose I want to define a vendor account. So what I have to do vendor account. In this case, I'll select the positions KA. I'll just give one example KA. Now it will come and click on this. I'm not going to change anything here. Just click on number range and you have to assign what 17 only you have to assign to your company. So TA11. See, this is your display interval. This is change intervals. So click on change interval, click on interval and give the 17 only. You cannot give any other number range. That is fixed. That is fixed I can say. So in this case from number account to numbers you can give anything. Now I'm giving suppose 2000 to 299. As I told you why I'm giving this. The document should be posted from 2000 to 299 for vendor. Okay, likewise invoice if you will not enter then you will not able to pass the invoice entries. This is for document entry, that is for invoice entry, and I shown you F53 that is for vendor payment. After passing the invoice entries means after purchasing the stock items we need to make payment. For that also document number range is mandatory here. So you have to create document number range including document types. That is the procedure in SAP. Okay. So if I click on this, it is taking. So I have created vendor document. So then only you will be able to post anything here. Okay, in this you click on this. Now it has been saved. The changes were saved. Likewise, we can do for vendor invoice. I'll teach you details in the coming classes because I have not created vendors, that is classify GL account with accounts payable. Okay, so it is here actually. Little bit I'll tell you. So financial accounting here financial accounting new. Here we have a accounts receivable and payable. In this case, first step is this one. We have to go to the vendor account, master data, preparations for the master data. First we have to define accounts group with the screen layout. This is the step one for vendors accounts payable. Then again we have to create number ranges for vendor account, and that is for document number range we are creating. This is for number range for vendor account. This is little critical part in the SAP accounts payable and receivable. You have to understand very neat and cleanly. Then only you will able to post any document, an invoice, and you will be able to make payment entries on these vendors. So these are the steps what I said. But I have not started this one today. I'll be starting on Monday. Today most of the students has not. I think 5 6 students is not there. So we'll be starting on the Monday. Okay, till this, any queries, any doubts you have? Till 7:30, I'll be taking class. Any point, any doubts, you ask me. But this is the procedure, one by one we have to follow. Then only we can reach the till payment entries. Why other students are silent today? Angsha,
Ma'am, also, is there any reason why the document number is 17? Like,
there is
is
no
it like,
reason. That is fixed by the system. There is no such reason, Joshna. That is only the fixed which is inbuilt in the software, which is inbuilt given by the SAP company itself. So we cannot change that. This is the thing. Just like some of the things are inbuilt when you know to change. Just like in Tally also, cash and profit and loss are already given. We cannot delete that. We can use. We have to use that one. So some things are inbuilt and we need not to change, and that is the fixed. If you change, there is a lot of problems will come when you will pass the entries. Okay, so that is the fixed which I can say. But number range you can give any, means like simple number range you can give. But when document started from the first one, but vendor accounts is always from the 17 itself. It cannot be changed and it should not be changed also. Understood.
all right,
But
ma'am,
the
thank you.
from account to the account you can change. You can give from range 3,000 to 399 or 3 lakhs to whatever 4 lakhs that you can give. But number range cannot be changed. Understood. And what is the tick marks I have shown you here? That also you should not remove. I'll show you once again. See, let's close this, and whatever I have given tick mark on this, like this is also inbuilt, so that also we should not change it out. This is all in coming classes. You will go to the outgoing payments, incoming payments, how to do this and all. It is there. Okay, so slowly you will learn. It is not that much. It's no hurry up on this because now Monday onwards it will be little tough. Okay, document splitting. This all you have to fully you have to. So I have given this how to do that. I've given the path how to see the document types also. Here document types, path is financial accounting global settings, document header, then document types. So here it is financial accounting global settings, and here it is a document header, document types. Now one more time I'll show you. Suppose take an example of KA that we are going to start next class. So in this case, what will happen? This you need not to change. See here, why I have removed what this I have not removed. It is already automatically it is not here because it is for vendors. Likewise, if I show you for the customer, let's see DA. Double click on this. Now vendor is not clicked, material is not clicked. Only for customer and GL account. Understood? This is all we have to do. Likewise, if I do for D, suppose KZ, what is displaying? KZ for vendor payment. So this is also customer as not included on this. Likewise, if you little bit, if you make changes, then it will be a problem in the entries. You'll not able to post any entries. It will keep on showing the error message. Here also everything has been done, but vendor is not required because it's a customer account. So you can save it, whatever is there, you can save. But this is not in our company. So listen that this is we have to change it Tata Group of Company 11. So you can see whatever changes you are doing, you have to save with the company code itself. Understood? So that is a customer invoice. So customer you need not to check. Material and GL account, all it should be always tick mark. Okay, students. So I'll send you this notes today, like whatever I have typed in the notepad, and you follow the steps and do that. Basically, SAP Easy Access Screen I taught today, and document type I told you. Uh, Apart from this document abundance we have created, we need not to create once again. Line items, as I told you already, tolerance group control. This is all done. Coming classes, coming week only accounts payable and accounts receivable. After the next week to next week, we'll do GST configurations. And before ending this batch, I'll do 1 2 days revision also. I have kept for that. Everything will be clear, then only we can add the batch. Okay. So that's all, students. Any queries you have, just tell me, or else we'll wind up the sessions. Okay. Till how much you have practiced in these days? Hmm? Till how much you have practiced? Joshna, Raksha, how much you have
Ma'am, I've
practiced?
started with the company posting part.
Okay, very good. Harshita, Pavitra, Shreya. Shreya was asking yesterday, but today is not asked. Neyasri, I'm asking to all. That's one. Okay. So practice with the students. I'll send this, and we'll get the recording soon. Today he's busy in installation, so he could not. But both the recordings I'll will be sending you in the group itself. You can download and you can practice. Even Monday once more I'll do revisions. Little bit revisions will do. Let's take from a chart of accounts will do. And till posting parking, 1 2 examples I'll show you. Then we'll start with the vendor account. Okay, that's all for the day, students. Bye bye.